Okay, so we've got our shots. We got our first shots. We got our wormings. And now we're fixing to have our first bath. What do you think about it, Pirate? Huh? What you think about it, little girl? Huh? There's girl number 1. And here's girl number 2. And there's girl number 3 right beside her. And there's boy 1, Mr. Piggy. And Pirate's boy number 2. So we think we're having fun right now, but it's fixing to get ugly. Say, things are fixing to get ugly. We're going to experiment with water. Say, oh my goodness, we don't know about this. Say, we won't be happy. No. So we'll be crying and throwing a fit. What is that? What is that? What is that stuff coming out of there? Huh? Y'all scared of it? Huh? Y'all scared of water? You drink it all the time. See, we never seen that much water. See, we've never seen that much water. No. I know. It's going to be a crybaby scene here in a minute. We're going to have some crying babies here in a minute. So we got to get a bath because we're going to be going home here for long. What do y'all think about that? Uh-oh. Alright, we got water going everywhere. I'm going to turn my camera off. Oh my goodness, it's a terrible thing. You think somebody was killing me. We don't like baths.